What is going on, guys? Welcome to J&K Racing, and today I want to show you how to make a wheel that looked like that look like this. These rims here are DID Honda rims. I believe they're aluminum, and they were painted. And these were raced on, so they're, they got some marks in them. They were $30 for the rims, and then the tires were $60. And they're Maxxis RZR, Razor, whatever you want to call it. RAZR, my bad. Razors. And they're a good tire. You can see there. So I bought the whole set for $100 for the rears, and I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, as you can see, this is the nice one. Ignore the edges. I mean, you can't do anything about that. From here, they look great. That's just whatever. But all in here turned out really good. There's still some black. I can get that off. But what we're going to be using is some Pro Stripper. I don't recommend this brand, honestly. For some reason, my cans of it just like, there we go. It sucks at spraying. I don't know if that's true for all of them, but that's the one I'll be using today. And I'm also going to use this. It's just a hose with an end and a small steel bristle brush to really get in there and clean it up. But yeah, so the first step is going to be to wash these down just a little bit, just to get all this dirt off. Doesn't have to be crazy. You can set that down. And the next step will be to grab some gloves, because this stuff is pretty chemically bad for your skin. So grab some gloves and your Pro Stripper. Alrighty, so you're going to take your stripper. Now, like I said before, this one sucks. Let me see. There we go. Well, I like to show you what happens, but it won't. It just won't. Alright, whatever. You can kind of see it there. See how it starts to bubble up like this? Right there, it is actually taking off the paint, which is really cool. Come on. Why's this got to be junk? There's better. Alright, so we're going to use that for the example. So you're going to let that sit for a little bit. Not too long, but I like to let it sit for maybe like a minute. You can see it working there. All right here, it's got it too. You can see all the, it almost looks like corroding paint, which is really cool. So then the next step I like to do is I like to take my bristle brush and just start working. As you can see, it's already taking some of that paint off right there that I sprayed it at. And then, once you've done the whole wheel and let the whole wheel sit, you rinse it off. And then keep going at it in the smaller areas that took a little while. Some of them have more heavier areas. You just keep going over a little bit, scrub it, wash it, scrub it, wash it, and it should be as nice as this one. So this rim actually looks worse than this one did. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to do this, I recommend. And also here's proof that this rim looked bad. I didn't do the other side yet. So yeah. Give this video a like, please subscribe, and have a good one.